Welcome back to another video. Today I went shopping with my mum and bought an extreme space ball. It's not a normal ball, and I will show you what the ball looks like.
Okay.
This is what the ball looks like. We will try it out now. As you can see, it's not a normal tennis ball. It is a ball with edges instead of a normal tennis ball is just round without edges, but this ball has edges. This is the box that comes with the ball. The ball comes in here, which you just have to pull out, and then the ball comes out. I bought the red ball because it looks nice. It says here extreme high bounce. So I guess the ball will be really high when it bounces. I will now use the ball with the tennis racket to see if it is really bouncy or not. Wow, it is so bouncy. I didn't expect it to be this bouncy. I also like the way it follows the wind. Like the wind is going this way, and the ball is going the same way as the wind. I will hit it really high. So far the ball is good. It actually really is very bouncy and with expectations. Okay, so the weather is pretty good, as you can see. It's perfect for sports such as tennis and cricket and football, etc. And so this ball was pretty good against my tennis racket. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel in the next 5 seconds.